How to delete your Google account permanently, or how you can permanently delete your Gmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can permanently delete your Google or Gmail account. But before we get started with this video, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now mind you that we're not talking about removing a Google account from a particular Android phone. In order to only remove your account from your Android phone, you can watch our other video, but in this video I will show you how you can delete your Gmail account or your Google account itself. In order to do that, first of all, I will simply open the Google Mail app on my phone. Once you open the Mail app, log into the account which you want to delete, and on the very top right hand side, tap on your profile icon. As soon as you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. All you have to do is simply tap on this option which says manage your Google account. Now, as you tap on manage your Google account, you'll be taken to your Google account page. Over here, you want to simply switch to this option which says data and privacy. So go ahead and tap on data and privacy. As soon as you tap on data and privacy, you'll be able to see all of these options. Over here, we want to actually scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the screen. So let us scroll down and until we don't find the option called delete. So right over here, you can see it says download or delete your data. Now, one thing I recommend doing is before you try to delete your account, you could go ahead and download all of the data which you have on your Google account. You can go ahead and simply actually download or delete your data. If you're sure you want to delete your account, then scroll down a little bit and you'll find more options. Over here, you'll see this option which says delete your Google account, which says delete your entire account and data. So go ahead and tap on delete your entire account and data. It may ask you to verify with your Google account password in order to simply confirm it. So I'm going to basically go ahead and enter my password. Once you've entered your password, simply tap on the next button and you'll basically be taken to this page. Over here, you can read all of this carefully, as well as all of the accounts or services which is associated with your Google account will also be removed, such as your Blogger, your Gmail, your photos, your YouTube, your calendar, your contacts, your Google Play apps and digital content. Once you're aware of that, simply check both of these buttons and at the bottom right, tap on this option which says delete account. Once you tap on delete account, there is no going back. You can simply go ahead and actually confirm it as well. This was the way on how you can delete your Google account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.